Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here we are with Mr.
Shivkumar,
author of...
Saptam Siddhi.
So sir, how is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
I'm a regular visitor of this
Right.
World Book Fair, and this was one of being the reason that made that thing sparked me in
Right.
writing a book.
Wow.
So
And now you're here as an author, so
Yeah.
you've come full circle.
yes,
Right.
completing a circle.
That's wonderful. So sir, can you tell us a little bit more about your book and why people should read it?
Yeah, basically this book, it's not been authored or somebody. It's been conceptualized. I
Right.
have given 7 concepts
Right.
which have a basics of Vedic life. And I have used those Vedic approaches or Vedic concepts in today's modern life,
Right.
and how it can be used for
Right.
one's benefit. That has been totally, through pictures, through tabular formats, and it has been conceptualized in such a way
Right.
to understand to the common masses, to the common people, with the most simplest way.
Right. So what pushed you to write a book about this, sir?
During the course of the pandemic, I had gone through that crisis, and then I felt, and over there I had adopted certain things which was basically related to Ayurveda and all those
Right.
things, and these things then and my basic knowledge of these, all these cosmic energies and all these
Right.
things. I thought, let's conceptualize and
Right.
present it in the easiest form way to people who can just turn on the pages, have a look, and they can understand and interpret it and use it and implement in their today's life.
Right. That's wonderful, sir. I think you've done like a noble cause by publishing this book. So thank you so much for bringing
Thanks
this
a lot.
here.
Thanks a lot.
Congratulations on your book.
Thank you.
And I hope you have a wonderful book.